Okay, Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. Today we're going to create an application to store persistent data. In Android, we have several ways to install persistent data. One of it is shared preferences. Okay, so today we're going to develop an app using shared preferences. Okay, so I've already created a new project for today activity. Okay, now we're going to add we're going to create a layout. Okay, so in this activity we're going to save a number and then store it in a shared preferences, and then we're going to display it. Okay, so I'm going to put in edit text for numbers. Okay, okay, and then we're going to put in two buttons. The first button is to save. Okay, we could save. We could put it store. Okay, so button store. Another one is to retrieve. Okay, after we store the number, we want to retrieve it back. Okay, so button retrieve, right? So the text will be retrieve. Okay, and then we're going to display it in a text view. Okay, so put in a text view. So ID TV display. So we're going to delete the text. Okay. All right. Okay. So now let's go into the coding. Okay, going to create a method to store public store. Okay, view. All right. And another one we're going to create for retrieve. Retrieve. Okay. All right. So store, put it on click store, and retrieve, put it in the retrieve button. All right. Okay. So now we're going to retrieve from this and then display in this TV display. All right. Okay. Now just declare it. Okay. So the first one is edit text. Okay, edit text, and another one is text view. All right, so we're going to create a variable to store the numbers. Okay, num to store. Okay, or and then num to display. All right. Okay. So now what we're going to do is to declare the shared preferences. Okay, shared preferences actually uses XML data file which will be saved inside the Android uh, Android phone. Okay, according to your application. Okay, so better for us to uh, declare the file name. Okay, so public static final, we're going to create a constant. Okay, to store the file name, sp underscore sorry, inside it is a string, sp underscore file name. Okay, check reference file name. So we're just going to put this package and the name of the file, right? Dot sp file, right? Okay, now we're going to create a shared preferences object. Okay, to save you have to use two things. The first one is the shared preferences class, and then you have to create editor class, create editor object. Okay, or we can combine it like this. Okay, so we just get shared preferences and then put in the file name. So this is the file name. Okay, and then the mode. Okay, this is the mode of the file. So now we're going to use the mode private. Okay, because we do not want to other application to access our file. So dot edit. Okay, okay, sorry. So sp editor, sp edit. Okay, and now we can actually get the numbers from here. Okay, so we declare first edit text. Okay, edit. Let's find view by id. Okay, dot, edit text number, right? Okay, we also want to declare this also. Okay, text view equal to display. All right. Okay, so now we're going to pass numbers from edit text to the num variable. Okay, num equal to edit text dot get text dot to string. Then we're going to sorry surround it. I just put it integer dot parse in. Okay, put it here. Okay. All right. Oh, sorry, sorry. Num to store. Okay, so I'm going to use sp edit dot put in because it is in integer. So first one is key. Key is like a name for you to call the value. Okay, it's like a variable name. Okay, so just put it number. Okay, and then the second argument will be the number to store. All right. Okay, and then you can commit it spedit dot commit. Okay, and then we're going to display it those text get get application context. All right. Okay, save successfully. Alright, toast dot length short, right. And then we're going to show it dot show. Okay. Alright, that's it for you to store. And now for you to retrieve, more or less it's same. Okay. So first one you have to declare shared preferences. Okay, sp equal to shared preferences. Okay, put it there, file name. Okay. Okay, so sp dot get in. Okay, so this is how you want to access the shared preferences file. So use the key, right, that you saved earlier. So number, and then the second argument will be default value. So default value for integer, you just put it 0. All right. Okay, now we're going to display inside the text view. So text view dot set text. Okay, and then putting the sp get in. Okay, but first we need to send it to the variable. Okay, so we just now to display. Right, before that we need to convert this into string. So we just using the string dot value of and then putting the number to display. All right, so let's test these apps. Okay, let's say we put in 15, then store, save successfully, and then retrieve. It's going to display 15. All right, so since this is a persistence data, if we close our apps, okay, and then open it back, it's still save the same data. Okay, so let's say before this we just already store 15, so when we retrieve still get 15. Okay, so where does the file is stored? You can view it inside the device explorer on the right hand side. Okay, and then you click on the data. Okay, data. Okay, so you can view all the packages, your application packages. So find your package. Okay, so our package is com.example.mysharepref. So let me find it first. So com.example my shared preferences app. Okay, so open the folder, shared preferences. So this is our file. Okay, sp file. So right click, open, and then you can view the value that we saved. Okay, so this is the key, and then this is the value. Right, so you can use it to store persistent data such as high score. Okay, some people use for settings and etc. etc. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you.